Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to borrow games on Steam. This is a simple way to share your game library with family and friends without buying multiple copies. First, open your Steam app. If you do not have it installed, go to the official Steam website and download the latest version. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click the Security tab and select Manage Steam Guard. Follow the prompts to make sure Steam Guard is enabled. Then click the Family tab and check the box to authorize library sharing on this computer. You will see a list of accounts that have logged into the same device. Select the accounts you want to share your library with by checking the boxes next to their names. Click OK to save your changes. And that is it. You have just enabled Steam Family Sharing. Your selected accounts can now borrow and play your games. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.